it's Donna with Donna Coker's The Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and we are about to cut German hot chocolate. So, it smells good. So let's just take a little tiny bit off the end here. Just to get rid of that. Oh, that's pretty. It turned out really nice. You know, like with the icing that you put on a German chocolate cake, you have the little bits in. So that's what I did with this, with the top layer and with the piping. So yes, turned out very nice. As you can see the bits in this layer and in the icing here. You can see the top. This will darken up to the color it is around the edges over the next probably 3 days. Yeah. Oh yeah. Smells good. Smells really good. Yeah, the little bits worked really well in the soap. And it actually does look like the German chocolate frosting. The icing was a little difficult with the little bits in it, but I didn't go really high with it, so I made it work. I was determined to make it work one way or another, so we made it work for sure. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. And I used the fragrance oil in the bottom layer and also in this layer. I did not put it in the piping. So that layer will actually darken up as well. Not as much as the bottom, but it will. I actually had a little bit of the purple get in there because you know you use the shavings from other soaps, and that's what I was using, and I had a little bit of purple from another soap that I had made, but that's okay. You don't bring any of the scents over. It just smells like the fragrance oil that I used for the soap, for the German hot chocolate soap. So yeah. Actually, I could see straight through that one. I had some curls in the confetti shreds that I had, and that was one of the curls that I didn't break up. So you can see straight through it. Actually, that's pretty cool. I'll probably keep that one for myself. I should have broken them up a little better, but I did not. Yeah, I think it turned out really nice. Looks like German hot chocolate. Looks like German chocolate cake, actually. And it smells delicious. Makes me want some cake, which I don't have because it's late at night. And I certainly don't need to be eating cake late at night, so. But yeah, I think we did pretty good with this one. Sometimes I get in the mood for cake, but it's not real often. Just every now and again, you know, you just want a cake. You want some cake, or you want something sweet. And when you're cutting soaps that smell like cake, yeah, you want some cake. Yippers, yippers. Alright, so that's the last one. And give you a closer look at it here. It's the German hot chocolate. So these will be curing for about 4 weeks, and they will be ready. Let's see, what's the date? They will be ready November the 10th. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. If you like any of my videos, I hope you'll hit like and subscribe. And as always, if you hit the little notification bell, you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. I hope you'll connect with me on Instagram at A Cherry Bloom. Facebook is A Cherry Bloom, and our website is acherrybloom.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.